Hey everyone, welcome back to RoboRequest. You ask, we build. Now we bring your creative ideas to life with another exciting Arduino project. And this time we had built something super fun and useful. It's a mini piggy bank that uses an IR sensor and OLED display to detect and count coins. This project is inspired by requests for amazing viewers like Ashish and Mohibul Zaid, who wanted a smart banking system tutorial. Keep your ideas coming, your project could be the next. Let's dive into it. Now here's what we'll need for this project. One Arduino Uno, one IR sensor module, 1.96-inch OLED display I2C based, one breadboard, one USB cable to upload the code, a bunch of jumper wires, and of course, a few coins for testing. Let's start. Setting up the connections. Take the Arduino and breadboard. First connect the 5V pin of Arduino to the positive rail on the breadboard and the GND pin to the negative rail. Now insert the IR sensor. Connect the VCC of the sensor to the positive rail on the breadboard and GND to the negative rail. Connect the out pin of the IR sensor to digital pin 2. Insert the OLED display to the breadboard. Connect the VCC of the display to the positive rail on the breadboard and GND to the negative rail. Connect its SDA to A4 and now connect its SCL to A5. Now double check everything with your circuit diagram to avoid errors. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. Now here we are starting by including 3 libraries: var.h for I2C communication, adafruit_gfx.h for graphics functions, adafruit_ssd1306.h to control our OLED display. We define the dimensions of the OLED screen and create an OLED display object using those dimensions. The IR sensor is connected to digital pin 2. We initialize variables to keep track of total amount and how many 5 and 10 rupees coins are added. We configure the IR sensor pin as input and start the serial monitor for debugging. Here we initialize the OLED display. If it fails, the code stops. This part displays a welcome message on the OLED screen for 2 seconds. Now in the loop, we check if the IR sensor detects a coin when the beam is interrupted and a short delay is added to avoid a false triggers. Since we don't have a real coin recognizer, we simulate coin detection by alternating between the ₹5 and ₹10 values. We update the respective coin counter at the total amount. We call the function to animate the coin falling and add another short delays before detecting the next coin. This function creates a simple animation of a coin dropping down the OLED screen. And after the animation, we show the coin value just added and the count of ₹5 and ₹10 coins. And finally, we print the total amount saved in the Mini Piggy Bank. And that's it. Now upload the code to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino Uno. Now click on the upload button. Once everything is working, you can install the components inside a cardboard box shaped like a bank. Now cut a coin slot on the top and mount an iron sensor just under it. Now power the circuit and start inserting coins. Watch as each coin is detected, animated and recorded on the OLED. Now this project is perfect for teaching kids about saving money, understanding the IR sensor and OLED displays, and adding fun electronics to household items. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for such more creative builds.